Hey there, fellow travelers and culture enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, Traveler's Plan. In today's video, I'm taking you on an incredible journey to one of the most fascinating cities in Azerbaijan, Baku. Get ready to be captivated by its rich history, vibrant culture, and mouth-watering cuisine. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. Baku is the dazzling capital of Azerbaijan that sits beautifully on the shores of the Caspian Sea. This vibrant city is a perfect blend of history and modernity, where ancient architecture coexists harmoniously with futuristic skyscrapers. Baku is not just a city, it's an experience you won't soon forget. Baku has a rich and storied past that dates back thousands of years. It has been a strategic location for various empires throughout history, including the Persian, Russian, and Ottoman empires. The city has witnessed numerous invasions, conflicts, and conquests, which have shaped its cultural heritage and contributed to its distinctive character. In recent years, Baku has emerged as a major player on the global stage. With its strategic location at the crossroads of Europe and Asia, the city has become a vital hub for trade, commerce, and cultural exchange. It's also an important center for the energy industry, thanks to Azerbaijan's vast reserves of oil and gas. Baku's origins can be traced back to antiquity, with evidence of human settlements dating back to the Paleolithic era. Throughout its history, the city has been inhabited by various civilizations, including the Persians, Arabs, Mongols, and Ottomans. Each empire has left its mark, contributing to Baku's vibrant cultural tapestry. The Persian influence on Baku is evident in its architecture, art, and traditions. Persian rulers enriched the city with magnificent palaces, mosques, and bathhouses, which still stand as a testament to their grandeur. In the 19th century, Baku came under Russian rule, marking a new era of development and modernization. Baku's rise to prominence in the 19th century was largely due to its booming oil industry. The city became one of the world's leading oil producers, attracting international investors and shaping its urban landscape. The iconic oil derricks and industrial infrastructure tell the story of Baku's golden era as the Black Gold capital. Step into the enchanting world of Baku's Old City, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that takes you back in time. Within its ancient walls, you'll find narrow streets, charming cafes, and historical landmarks like the iconic Maiden Tower and the Palace of the Shirvanshahs. It's a place where history comes alive. Baku's skyline is a mesmerizing blend of tradition and innovation. The city boasts breathtaking modern architectural marvels, such as the Flame Towers, Haydar Aliyev Center, and the iconic Carpet Museum. These structures push the boundaries of design and offer panoramic views of Baku's ever-evolving skyline. Baku is a city of legendary landmarks and monuments that narrate tales of its past. From the monumental Azerbaijan National Carpet Museum to the impressive Fountain Square, every corner of the city holds a story waiting to be discovered. Don't forget to visit the iconic Martyrs Alley, a memorial honoring those who lost their lives in Azerbaijan's struggle for independence. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds with the flavors of Azerbaijani cuisine. Baku offers a delightful array of traditional dishes, with influences from Persian, Turkish, and Russian cooking. From succulent kebabs and aromatic pilaf to mouth-watering dolma and rich stews, the local cuisine is a feast for all senses. To truly experience the essence of Baku's culinary scene, you must indulge in the city's popular street food. Sink your teeth into a juicy lyolya kebab, savor the buttery goodness of Azerbaijani baklava, or try the addictive street snack called piti. The vibrant street food stalls and bustling markets will leave you craving for more. Baku is not just about traditional cuisine, it also offers a sophisticated dining scene with international flavors. From upscale restaurants serving fusion cuisine to trendy cafes offering a taste of global gastronomy, Baku caters to every palate. Indulge in a culinary adventure and savor the diversity of flavors that the city has to offer. Now that you have a glimpse into the captivating world of Baku, Pack your bags and get ready to embark on an unforgettable journey. Adventure, history, architecture, and delicious food await you in this pulsating capital city of Azerbaijan, uncovering Baku's rich art and music scene. Baku isn't just a city of historical wonders, it's also a haven for art and music enthusiasts. Whether you're a fan of traditional arts and crafts or contemporary art galleries, Baku has something to offer everyone. Immerse yourself in the rich cultural heritage of Baku by exploring its traditional arts and crafts. From intricate carpet weaving to stunning pottery, the craftsmanship of these traditional artisans is truly awe-inspiring. Don't miss the chance to visit local workshops and witness these age-old techniques firsthand. For those with a modern taste, Baku boasts a vibrant contemporary art scene. Explore the city's numerous art galleries and museums, where you'll find works by both local and international artists. From thought-provoking installations to cutting-edge exhibitions, these venues will ignite your creativity and leave you with a deeper appreciation for the arts. Baku is a city that knows how to celebrate music and culture. Throughout the year, the city hosts a variety of music festivals and cultural events that showcase the talents of both local and international artists. From jazz and classical concerts to traditional music performances, there's always something happening in Baku to satisfy your musical cravings. If you're in need of some fresh air and greenery, Baku's parks and gardens are the perfect escape. Take a leisurely stroll through the beautifully manicured gardens of the Philharmonic Park or enjoy a picnic in the lush surroundings of the Sahil Park. These tranquil oases offer a peaceful respite from the bustling city streets. Baku is blessed with a stunning waterfront, where you can bask in the sun and enjoy a variety of water activities. Whether you prefer lounging on the sandy beaches of the Caspian Sea or engaging in thrilling water sports, Baku has you covered. Soak up the coastal vibes and let the refreshing sea breeze rejuvenate your spirit. Baku's rise to prominence in the 19th century was largely due to its booming oil industry. The city became one of the world's leading oil producers, attracting international investors and shaping its urban landscape. The iconic oil derricks and industrial infrastructure tell the story of Baku's golden era as the Black Gold capital. Nature lovers will be delighted to discover that Baku is surrounded by breathtaking natural beauty. Just a short drive from the city, you'll find nature reserves and hiking trails that are perfect for outdoor adventures. Explore the Bustling National Park, known for its ancient rock carvings, or challenge yourself to conquer the stunning peaks of the Caucasus Mountains. Shopaholics rejoice. Baku offers a plethora of shopping options, from trendy shopping districts to traditional markets. Explore the bustling streets of Nizami Street, where you'll find luxury boutiques and international brands. For a more authentic experience, head to the local markets like Taza Bazaar, where you can haggle for unique souvenirs and traditional clothing. When it comes to souvenirs, Baku has plenty to offer. Don't settle for generic trinkets. Instead, seek out traditional handicrafts that reflect the city's vibrant culture. From beautifully designed carpets and silk scarves to intricate copper and silverware, these unique keepsakes will remind you of your memorable visit to Baku. When the sun goes down, Baku comes to life with its lively nightlife and entertainment scene. From trendy rooftop bars with panoramic city views to vibrant clubs where you can dance the night away, there's something to suit every taste. Catch a live music performance or indulge in a theatrical show for a memorable evening in the city. We hope you enjoyed this virtual tour of Baku and that it ignited your curiosity to explore this city in person someday. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting adventures around the world. Until next time, happy exploring.